going to create categories to use in our gradebook, as well as weight them if you're somebody that uses weighting in your gradebook. So from campus instruction, you need to go to gradebook. And once your gradebook loads, you need to go to the settings chevron and then click the categories link under gradebook setup. Once the category list loads, these are all the available categories that you can use for your grades. And I'm going to start with test. And I'm going to, since I use weighting in my classes, I'm going to set the weight for all of my classes to be 60% of the grade. It can be 0.6, or you can type in 60. And if you do it in this gray section at the top, it will apply that same weight to all of your sections. So you don't have to go cell by cell. And then I'm going to click save. And then I'm also going to do the same. I'm going to use labs since I used to teach science. And my labs, I'm going to say, will be worth 30% of my student's grade. And I'll click save again. Again, if you use the grade section at the top, it will apply that same weight to all of your classes. If you're somebody that doesn't use weighting, you can just put in a 1 if these are categories that you want to use on a daily basis in your gradebook. And then the last one, I'm going to do homework. And I'm going to make that homework worth 10% of a student's grade. So if you're weighting, all of your weights should equal 100 or 1, depending on whether or not you're using decimals. So I'm going to save my weights, and that's pretty much how you create your categories and weight them. If you're somebody that's weighting, you want to look at the grade calc video to figure out final steps. And if you're using total points, you'll also want to watch that video because there is a step that you need to take care of so that your gradebook is set up correctly.